So I got dolled up a little bit, just a little bit, but I did a light beat. I'm not really like a makeup girly, but I am trying to get there. More of like the natural type beat. Trying to get back into like makeup. I am going to upload a video on how I did these locks. These are actually crochet. This is my first time doing crochet on myself. So I am gonna upload a video on that, but I feel like I feel really pretty and dainty. I'm trying to tap into my, you know, feminine energy or whatever you want to call it. But I am going to a spot for brunch. It's called Soul, and it's in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. I am gonna I think they have an additional spot from what I've been told in Nashville, but I'm gonna leave in a few minutes. But I am gonna take some, you know, some quick videos, but or record a little bit while I'm there. I did see it on social media, so the vibe was real nice. They do have live music. I don't know if they're gonna have live music for around brunch time, but we'll see. But the vibe, the elegance was really nice, and I will take pictures and insert them somewhere in this video. But I am out of town for Labor Day weekend. I have been enjoying myself. As you can see, the glow, darling, the glow. But I am having the time of my life. I don't know, I just feel more relaxed, rejuvenated, and about to go out, eat. So if you did enjoy yourself for the Labor Day weekend, let me know. Let me know what all you did. I should be uploading this before tomorrow. We'll see, because I've been enjoying myself so much that I haven't been editing. But I'm just enjoying myself, getting a lot of rest, making sure I'm taking care of myself. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure to take y'all along with me, show you what I eat, you know, having a good time. I did get these pieces from Target, earrings from Target. This other one, hold on, it's somewhere here. This is gifted to me, so that don't count. But I did get this piece from Target, and Target. Just like some accessories and everything. This is my Coach bag that I was gifted. It's really cute. I love me some Coach. They quality be on point to me. But once I step out, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Be sure to take you with me. All right. Oh yeah. So I mean for the light to come on.
What are you gonna do with your cousin? And it's like,
just talk. Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? In the outside, can't keep up with when we talk. Never felt
time remaking this because I felt like I could do a better job. But I'm going to be making some sriracha glazed wings. I'm also going to be changing out my gloves because, yeah, I got my extra gloves here. But you know, I don't really care for touching meat. So I went ahead, went to Publix, got me some of their wings. And I won't be making it until tomorrow because I usually like to clean my meat first. So I have a few limes. I'm going to be using 4. Vinegar. I have this cute little item here to help me, you know, get that lime juice out. I don't think I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial. I did record a video a few years back, detailed video of how I made them, but I think I just wanted to check in with y'all. See how you're doing, see what you're doing for your, you know, your weekend. Labor Day is coming up. I already have my knife, cutting board, and I'm just going to cut them up. Make sure I take, you know, any extra feathers and get rid of all of that. And yeah, and I'll show you, I'll come back and show you how they look once I've done so and place them in this bowl. All right, y'all, so tell me if you, I'm trying to make sure this hair doesn't get away, but tell me if you usually like to cut your wings in half and remove like this part right here. You know, I don't know, it just looks like it just makes more. But so far we're halfway through of me cutting them, so it won't take too much time afterwards. Okay, y'all, so I have to show you, I think this is just so cute, but this collects the lime juice. You just go ahead, I'm not really gonna do it, but you take it because it's already full, and you just squeeze it. And I had to turn this inside out because I'm gonna use it to give my chicken a scrub. But look at how much lime juice has been collected in this. I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, pour it in there. I already went ahead and cut all my chicken up and went ahead and put these slits in them so that way the lime juice can be absorbed. Yeah, it's gonna be real good. All right, so I'm done. This is how it looks. Can't really see it, but I put some vinegar, lime, a little bit of salt, not too much because the salt is gonna be rinsed off the next day. So how I usually tend to do it is the following day, I'll rinse it off with cold water, and then I'll take boiling hot water, and it'll kind of like pre-cook it and kill any, you know, bacteria. And then I'll go ahead and season it, put it in the oven, and go from there. But usually when you do this, it tastes better. To me, it tastes better. But yeah, I'm just gonna put some aluminum foil, place it in the fridge, and I will be making it tomorrow evening, actually. So yeah, so I'll show you the finishing results. I don't know if I'll show you the part where I, you know, put cold water and then boiling hot water, but we'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow.